Hey, I am Kasim Gulzar and I am a student. The question is, what is United Nations Organization and what are the objectives of this organization? United Nations is an international and intergovernmental organization, and the objectives of this organization are peacekeeping and security, protection of human rights, economic development, and humanitarian assistance. The main focus of this organization is on the protection and development of humans and all other inhabitants on this planet. This organization was established after World War II because after World War II people realized that war was a total destruction and world would move towards worse if it continued. So on 25th of April 1945 people from 50 nations gathered at San Francisco. They drafted the UN Charter and the United Nations started working according to the charter. It is the largest, most known and powerful organization around the globe. Headquarters of the United Nations organization are located in New York City and its main offices are in Geneva, Nairobi, Vienna and The Hague. United Nations organization have its six official languages so that the concerns of people from every part of the world can be heard. These languages are English, Chinese, Arabic, French, Russian and Spanish. So there is not any language barrier between the people and the organization. There are 193 member states of this organization and 2 observer states, including Palestine and the Holy See. Membership of United Nations organization is open to all other peace-loving countries. Antonio Guterres is the ninth Secretary General of the United Nations organization and he held his office on 1st of January 2017. Before him, Ban Ki-moon was the Secretary General of the United Nations organization and before Ban Ki-moon, Kofi Annan held the office of the Secretary General of the United Nations organization. Now let's talk about its structure. United Nations organization had six principal organs, but one of those, UN Trusteeship Council, is inactive from 1994 and other five are still active. Other five which are still active are UN General Assembly, UN Secretariat, International Court of Justice, UN Security Council, UN Economic and Social Council. Four among these five organs are located at main headquarters in New York City, and the other fifth organ, International Court of Justice, is located in The Hague. All these organs have their own functions and duties, and all these organs work in collaboration with each other. United Nations organization have its own specialized agencies and these agencies are 15 in total. These agencies work for the betterment of this world and for the welfare of the inhabitants of this planet. These agencies are Food and Agriculture Organization, International Fund for Agriculture Development, International Monetary Fund, International Civil Aviation Organization, UNESCO and World Health Organization and others. United Nations organization is fully devoted to the betterment of this world and the people working in this organization are fully devoted to this organization and to the people of the world. United Nations organization aims to remove hunger, poverty, human rights violation and to bring about sustainable development. So, United Nations organization introduced Millennium Development Goals and Sustainable Development Goals. We all should contribute our share to the betterment of this world. Thanks for watching and listening.